Hello guys, today I show you how I create my 3D model in Blender. For my video I always create 3D model from scratch and don't use other people's. Let's try to build a simple car, 3D car, no reference, just freestyle and see what we get. At the same time I will explain the basic of modeling in Blender. In Blender everything starts with primitives right now. Right now I just a cube. Amount my model is just a modified primitive. First I block out the main shape, just scaling it. You always start with the shivered. Details come later. Now switching to edit model. This is where we move verticals, edges and face. Basic everything in modeling comes down to this. Now I am adding geometry using Xtube. This is one of the most important tools. Next you just pull faces out and create a new form. Right now I'm just shaping the body, not thinking about details yet. It just needs to look like a car overall. For the wheels I will use cylinders. Usually it's easier to make them as separate object. I will just make one and duplicate it. Duplication save a lot of time. You don't want to rebuild the same thing again. Now adding some simple details like handling, headlight and small shapes. Nothing too complex. Simple shapes usually work better. And now let's add some color. In Blender material define how the object look. For this style bring simple colors works better. Now adding a light. Without light model doesn't read the property. You don't need anything complicated here. And finally the camera. This is difference how everything will look in the end. Same model can look completely different depending on the angle. Overall this already looks decent. You can keep refining, but the base is done. This is basically how any model is built. Primitives, editing, shaping. Once you understand this, you can create pretty much anything. If you want, I can go deeper into more advanced stuff. And next you see a little time lapse for my creation of wheel for the car. Let's see this.